Hello students, myself Manoj Pandey from LPM Public School, Gola Bazar, Gorakhpur. Now today we discuss the circle. This lecture is the revision lecture of circle. So we first make the circle. Circle is a collection of points. Circle is a collection of points. Now, collection of points in a plane. Circle is a collection of all points in a plane which are at a fixed distance from a fixed point, which are at a fixed distance from a fixed point, that are called a circle. This is the circle, and now the collection of all points, on the collection of all points on the plane which are fixed distance from a fixed point, that is fixed point is the center and fixed distance is the radius. A line which is passes through the center and touching the two sides of the circumference of circle, that are called the diameter. Diameter is the longest chord of the circle. And a line which is cut the line at a 2 points, that is called the secant. And the line which is passing through touches the circle, at the point C. This line is a tangent line, and the line LM is the secant line. So therefore, circle have a different theorems to verify. One as the In a circle, a chord PQ cut the circle in a two part. In a circle, the chord PQ cut the circle in a two part. One part as the minor segment and other as the major segment. So, and other is, this is the circle and this is the chord. Now O as the center. So the region of this, so the shaded region formed by the radius of circle. Shaded region formed by the radius of circle is called the sector. That is minor sector and that is major sector. And the point ACB is the arc of circle. This is the arc of a circle. Clear? Next as the theorem. Equal chord of circle theorem. Equal chords of circle, chords of a circle subtend equal angles at the center. Now a circle, O is the center. Equal chord. Now the given proof. AB equal chord of a circle, AB equal to CD. It is given. AB equal to CD. It is given. And if we prove both triangle are congruent. If we prove both triangle are congruent, then the angles are equal, because the corresponding angle of a triangle are equal when the triangle are congruent. So in triangle AOB and triangle COD, in triangle AOB and triangle COD, so OA equal to OC and OB equal to OD and AB equal to CD, because that is radius given. So the triangle AOB congruent to triangle COD by yes. Therefore, the angle AOB equal to angle COD by CPCT. After that, the angles are equal. Now it proves the angles are equal. Clear? Second theorem, if the angles subtended by the chord of a circle at the center are equal, then the chords are equal. Now the above theorem is the converse of this theorem. We make the circle and that is center. Then the chords are equal, the equal angle subtended by the chord. So angle AOB equal to angle COD. It is given in the triangle AOB and triangle COD. OA equal to OC, radius. Angle AOB COD given. So therefore OB equal to OD radius. Therefore triangle AOB congruent triangle COD by SAS. So therefore AB equal to CD by CP CT. So therefore the chords are equal when the triangle angles are already given. So therefore the chords triangles are congruent, then by the CPCT both triangles are equal. Both triangles are congruent, then the chords are equal. Clear? Thank you.